Mac users often find themselves needing to save various items such as documents, web pages, images, or even emails as PDF files. The portable document format, PDF, offers several advantages, including compatibility across different devices and platforms, maintaining document formatting, and easy sharing. Fortunately, Mac provides built-in functionality that allows users to save items as PDF effortlessly. In this guide, we will explore different methods and steps to save items as PDF on a Mac, ensuring that you can conveniently create PDF versions of your desired content. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who wants to preserve information digitally, learning how to save items as PDF on your Mac will prove to be a valuable skill. So, let's dive in and explore the various methods at your disposal. First, select your file. Open the PDF file you want to save. You can receive a PDF attachment in an email, open it in a web browser, or access it through a file management app like Files or iCloud Drive. When using a web browser such as Safari, open the PDF file in your web browser, for example, Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Click on File in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Select Save As or Export as PDF. The wording may vary depending on the browser. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF and click Save. When using the Preview application, open the PDF file in the Preview application. You can find it in the Applications folder or search for it using Spotlight. Click on File in the menu bar. Select Save or Export. The wording may vary depending on the version of Preview. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF and click Save lastly. Using the Print function, open the PDF file in any application that supports printing. For example, Preview Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on File in the menu bar. Select Print or use the Command+P shortcut. In the Print dialog box, click on the PDF drop-down menu, usually located in the lower left corner. Choose Save as PDF or Export as PDF. Select the destination folder and click Save. These are 3 methods to save PDFs. I hope this helps you. By following this page, you gain access to valuable insights, tips, and tutorials on various tech-related topics. As always, thanks for watching.